alone, it's actually called Crazy.
It's actually called Lado.
Oh, you know what? Let's clear out the the
Yeah.
credits of who made the songs inside the PUBB house.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah,
I
okay,
keep
okay.
seeing
Yo.
I keep seeing
Yo.
okay. I keep seeing wrong incorrect credits. So let's start with See You Happy Original. Okay?
Okay.
See You Happy Original is the full Tagalog and Bisaya song.
Yung influencer task.
Oh.
The original.
Remember Influencer Task?
Yeah. Ang nag-compose nun, Kuya Bensoy,
Bensoy,
Kyrene. And,
her contribution is the chorus.
yeah.
Cause I wanna see you happy, kay ikaw akong one and only. Yun. Sa verse, the first verse, basta everything else, Kuya Bensoy.
Mm.
My
Just
only
ending.
my only contribution was the ending. Cause I wanna see you happy, bisag wa ko nimo gipili. And I also helped with arranging it.
Yeah. Ako naman sa mga lyrics. So, next,
Next naman,
See You Happy na revised.
See You Happy revised. The first verse, Kuya Bensoy.
Same lang naman.
Oh,
Ang nadagdag lang yung kang Jaren before sleeping in the evening.
and mine.
And yung kasama, that's
Yeah.
guys.
And then, yung before sleeping in the evening, that's Jaren's. Jaren's, what do you call that? Verse. Tapos, chorus, same thing. Pagkabuntag, ikaw ang nasa huna-huna, Kuya
Kuya
Bensoy.
Bensoy.
Cause I wanna see you
Keisha.
happy. Mine. That's my verse. And then, same rin yapon. Tapos, ano pa? See You Happy musical. It's just the same thing. Basta the last one, my part was still my part. The Bisan wa ko nimo gipili. That was still my part, but it's not that major. Next song.
So you have,
Alod.
Lord, that's Kuya Bensoy and Keisha.
Yeah. Alod. Kuya Bensoy. Most of it was Kuya Bensoy. My only contribution
Bisan wa
is
ka
kwan.
diri.
Bisan wa ka diri na agihapon ka sa dugan. Next. Ano pa? My God.
Kaya nga magtago tapos magre-react ka.
Ano pa?
Yung Lado. Crazy.
Lado.
Since the day
That we met, I can't
So-
believe that we met. That's actually called Lado. Kasi Mark always says Lado, which means crazy in Tagalog. Ay,
English.
English. So, naging crazy.